Guys, good afternoon guys. So now guys, we have Carnival, Carnival. So Carnival guys, engine, diesel, 4 cylinder. Okay. So now guys, the problem of this engine, the have sound for the timing chain and timing chain guide. So now we replace the tensioner, the chain, and the guide. Because the most common problem of this engine, the chain broken. Same like this engine is same like this engine. This is for Genesis 2019. The same engine, but this 2.2. I think this engine is 2.0. Okay. So now guys, before we removing the timing, so we put already in the top, so you can see the lobe. This is the lobe for the exhaust, this is the lobe for the intake. So the piston number 1 is in the top dead center. Okay, so and you see in this 3-volt like triangle, and this dowel is the upside straight. Okay, and this horizontal and then vertical. Okay, this is the timing mark for the sprocket, and this timing mark for the chain, and this chain is holding for the camshaft sprocket, exhaust, and then to high pressure pump. So we have 2 mark. So this is the correct mark, not this. So from this mark and this chain, so if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So from here to here, there are 16. So we have also another 1 chain for the crankshaft to the high pressure pump. So the crankshaft K is in the 12 o'clock, and then the timing mark for the sprocket is in the 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. And then you count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So until you reach this marking for the high pressure pump. Okay, this marking. So if you count also the mark 1, 2, 3, 4 from the mark for the chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now the timing is not jump, but we need to replace the timing chain, timing guide, and the tensioner. Okay guys, and in the back side for the spider gear for the intake, so we have marking also. As you can see, this sprocket have 2 mark, and this sprocket have 1 mark. Okay, so 2 is to 1, and it's good. Okay. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe guys to my YouTube channel. And this is the engineer, Sip Palikan.